So have you ever tried learning Python only to get stuck before even you write your first line of code? Yes, it happens to best of us, and you hear people talk about Python like it's super beginner friendly, but then you install it and bam, you hit yourself with a confusing page full of options, strange words like path, and you are even not sure what to do with them. So if it sounds familiar, then you are at right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest way to install Python on Windows 10. Even if you are new and have never installed any software before, so let's fix this. So first of all, open Python website. For that you have to open browser and type in python.org, and once you are on the site, you have to click yellow button that says download Python, and there will be the version number. It will automatically detect your system, and after downloading you have to run it. For that you have to double click on it when it's installed, and on the first screen make sure you check the box that says add Python to path, and then click install now. That's it, just wait for it to install, and after it finish click close, and now test it. For that you can click start menu and type and open command prompt. In the black window you have to type python space hyphen hyphen version and then press enter. If you see a version number like Python 3.12.1, then you are good to go. And just like that, Python is ready to use on your Windows 10 computer. No errors, no confusion, just a few clicks and you are set. If this helped you out, you can go ahead and subscribe for more easy tech tips like that. And if you got stuck at any point, you can drop a comment and I'll help you out. See you in the next one.